Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Negative x we can change for negative 4x plus 3x. So we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 3. Now we can do another factorization by s minus number 4. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 3 and b over s minus number 4. Now we can do common denominators. So about this one, it is missing about s minus number 4. So capital 8 multiplied by s minus number 4. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 3. So capital B multiplied by s plus number 3. So we need to expand this one. Now we can do about factorization by s. So we need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 1. So this one equals to number 1. We don't have s, so a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 7. B equals to 1 over 7. And now I will put 8 and b go back in here. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 7. B equals to 1 over 7. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.